Hi, I'm Vicky, I'm a Hobbycraft artisan. I'm going to show you how to make a wreath for your home this Christmas using Hobbycraft products. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and press the bell icon for notifications on future videos. Place the smaller ring inside the larger ring and use pot tape to secure together. This will be your base for building your wreath. Begin by adding a cutting of eucalyptus to cover the pot tape. Use a glue gun to stick some picks down facing away from each other. Next, glue down the cones to create a focal point. Check that you are happy with your placement, and you're finished! For more Christmas inspiration, go to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a like and we'd love to see your comments below. See you soon for more videos.